Good morning, everybody. We have been studying about national political parties, and in the political parties, we have studied about the Indian National Congress, Communist Party of India (CPI) and CPI-M, Bharatiya Janata Party (BJP), Bahujan Samaj Party (BSP), All Indian Trinamool Congress (AITC). Now, today we are going to study about a nationalist Congress party. In short, is known as NCP, Nationalist Congress Party, NCP. This is the party or the national party which was formed in 1999 after the split of in the Congress party. So this is an outcome of in Congress party, as BJP came out from Bharatiya Jan Sangh, NCP came out from Congress party. This party advocates democracy, Gandhian secularism, equity, that is equality to all, social justice, and federalism. National Communist Party demands that high offices in government be confined to natural born citizens of the country. That means people who is born in India, and if any posts are to be removed, no person from other country should get that post. People of Indian citizens, the citizens of India, should hold the positions. The major party means NCP in Maharashtra and has a significant support in Meghalaya, Manipur, and Assam. currently a member a member of the United Progressive Alliance. Like we already dealt, it's a group. A lot of parties come together under one name, that is UPA. Similarly, we have NDA. These are the two groups. So these are the 7 parties, 7 national parties that run in India. Now let's see what is the say of states, regional parties of India. So state and regional parties of India. So according we can say that the election commission, as this is the top where election commission takes care of all the elections in India, and whatever, how it is to be done, where it is to be done, which year it should be done, it is all decisions are taken by election commission. Recognizes some state parties which can be referred to as regional parties also, because they work in a small area. From 1984 to 2014, no national party was able to secure on its own a majority in the Lok Sabha. So the national parties were compelled, means they had to compelled to form alliance, means they have to join the small parties with state parties, leading to a strong coalition government. Coalition, when 2 or more parties come together, coalition government. In this way, the parties were ruling in those areas. Thus, since 1996 onwards, nearly every one of the state parties has got an opportunity to be a part of one or the other national level या national party coalition government. So we can say this has strengthened strengthened the concept of federalism and democracy. So you can say that whether it's a national party or a state party, they have to work together. Sometimes national parties come in majority, as you can see in the last election 2014 and 2019, but in future and in the past we have seen that the national parties have to come close to the regional or the state party to form a government, and in future there may be more national parties, because now AAP party has come into power and it's going to gain more seats in different states also. Is going to fight elections and may gain, as is going to get at least 4 states, then it will be recognized as a national party. So a small party can become a national party. Here is the map of India, which shows you the regional parties in India as on 18th October 2017. So here you can see some parties. When you look at the Jammu and Kashmir, you have Jammu Kashmir National Conference 1939, Jammu Kashmir National Panthers Party, Jammu Kashmir and People's Democratic Party 1999. Similarly, all states, Jammu Kashmir, Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Sikkim, Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Assam, Meghalaya, Manipur, Mizoram, Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Telangana, a new state, Andhra Pradesh, which broke, right? Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu. Here you can see a lot of parties. When you talk about Punjab, so here we have Aam Aadmi Party 2012, also in Punjab. Shiromani Akali Dal came into 1920. Indian National Lok Dal 1977. You can see the symbol also. The symbol is a broom, a balance, spectacles. When you talk about Uttar Pradesh, here is the Rashtriya Lok Dal 1998, Samajwadi Party 1992, a symbol cycle, a hand pump. In Bihar, you have Janata Dal, JDU, arrow. Lok Janshakti Party 2000, a house. Rashtriya Janata Dal, a lantern, RJD, right? JDU and RJD. Then you have Rashtriya Lok Shamta Party, FAN, 2013. You can see the years when it came into existence. In Sikkim, it is Sikkim Democratic Front, 1993, with an umbrella, a symbol of umbrella. Sikkim Krantikari Morcha, a lamp, you can say that, 2013. Assam, it's All Indian United Democratic Front, 2009. Assam Jan Parishad, 1985. Bodolands People's Front, a plow, an elephant. Lock and Key, People's Party of Arunachal. The symbol is not actually clear. Nagas People's Front, you can see a cock. It is now presently in Manipur also. JMM, bow and arrow. AJSU Party, say a banana. JMV, a comb. Here is Maharashtra Navnirman Sena, and railway engine. Maharashtravadi Gomantak Party, or Lion. Goa Forward Party with some fruit symbol, coconut. Janata Dal Secular, the symbol is not clear. Telangana Rashtriya Samiti, a car. All Indian Majlis-e-Ittehadul Muslimin, a kite. So you can see all over India, in all states, some special or some regional parties are working. Here you have with leaves, Kerala Congress 1964, with a ladder, Indian Union Muslim Leagues, it is in Kerala. Tamil Nadu, you have All Indian Anna DMK 1972. Dravidam Mamantram Khazagam, it's 1949. So this DMK, so here DMK, so All Indian Anna Dramuk Anna Dravida Momentra Munnetra Khazagam came into existence in 1972. It's Patali Makal Kalchi 1990. Desaya Murpukku Dravida Khazagam 2005. Telugu Desam Party runs in Andhra Pradesh. Cycle. See, here also a party came into 1982. It has a symbol, a cycle. Here Samajwadi Party also has a symbol, cycle. YSR Congress Party, a symbol is fan, is used in Telangana, is also in Telangana. Here Rashtriya Lok Shamta Party also uses a fan. Special symbols are used, but the same symbols are not given in the same state. With a different party you can use them, but it is not possible to use the same symbol in the same state because the parties may have some confusion. So you can find out about the local parties or regional parties, as you can see in Rajasthan, Gujarat, Himachal Pradesh. Here we don't have regional parties. Here we have national parties. Either BJP or Congress are running in these states. In Rajasthan, it is always alternate. Every 5 years, we have either a BJP government or a Indian National Congress government. Last year it was BJP. In last term, it was BJP government. In this year, 2019, or 80 we are having Ashok Gehlot Sarkar government. Before that it was Vasundhara Raje government. Before that again it was Ashok Gehlot's government. So every 5 year here in Rajasthan it is alternate. But in some states, like when you talk about Delhi, before Aam Aadmi Party it was the Sheila Dikshit party, that was Indian National Congress, was ruling. In Gujarat in last years or previous years we see that BJP is the party that is running the government continuously. So please be aware of these local parties and symbols in your area also.